Alright, so you can see before, after, in case it wasn't obvious. So these headphones are pretty gross. You use these all the time. See people use them in the gym, and these pads need to be replaced. Alright, so it's super easy to do it, and this is the Bose QuietComfort 2. These are still my favorite line of the Bose headphones. I have the 700s, the new ones, and I like these a lot more. I don't like that toggle switch. That really sucks. Alright, so here we go. We just pry it out. I know it feels like you're going to break it, but you'll see that there's little snaps that hold it in place, so don't worry. You just pry it out like that, and you see how it has those little snaps. And then if you want to replace the cover as well, you can do that. Peel it back, and it's going to leave some residue. Try to remove that foam residue so the new ear covers will stick better. Alright, so you just kind of peel it back if you can. Don't worry if you can't get it off. It's a little better if you can, but again. Alright, and then you take your ear covers, the new ones, and you see they have the tape on the back. Make sure it's lined up, right? So the R goes up like that. Remove the adhesive sticker there. Yeah, there it is. Just peel off. And then press it on. First on, try to get it lined up so you're not covering the snaps. And then like that, just press it. It'll stay. And this plastic thing, it starts to stretch out. You know, that's part of the wear of this thing. These are like, what, 5 years old? But still absolutely fantastic headphones. I love them. Bose did such a good job on these, and they totally screwed up with the 700s. So you'll get a few more years out of these with a real inexpensive upgrade. It's like 15 to 20 bucks for the new ear cups. And then to push on the ear cups, see how it has these little snaps around here? That's the lip where it snaps onto, right? So you just start anywhere and then push it on. Most of them will snap into place, and then whichever ones don't, you just work your way around. So we got some here that need to snap in. We got some here. Yeah, I really didn't do a very good job of getting any of them in, but you just got to get that lip underneath those tabs here. Right? So push, push, push there, push there, push there. Okay, that one's good. There. 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 There's another tab there. Okay, that's it. So now we have the after. We saw the before, and these, although they're definitely not brand new, they look a heck of a lot better than they did before. Alright, so before, hot mess. After, all for less than 20 bucks.